The breaking news coming in at the moment, Nishikant Dubey's controversial remarks against the Chief Justice of India. The Supreme Court has now agreed to hear next week the plea seeking action against Nishikant Dubey and removal of video from social media. Remember, petitioner advocate Narendra Mishra had said that the AG has not responded despite several lawyers writing for a sanction. The video of the remarks, remember, also has to be removed as it's scandalous and defames the judiciary, is what advocate Narendra Mishra, the petitioner, has stated, that Nishikant Dubey's remark on the Chief Justice of India and the judiciary needs to be removed from social media. Remember, that remark had gone viral when Nishikant Dubey had blamed the CGI and the judiciary for starting civil wars in the country. My colleague Harish is joining us. He's been tracking the developments in the top court of the country. Harish, what can we expect now? The fact that the Supreme Court has now agreed to hear this petition against Nishikant Dubey and his remarks next week, what can we expect in that particular hearing?
In fact, the decision of the Supreme Court itself Supreme Court deciding to hear the petition next week itself is significant, because yesterday two lawyers had mentioned that they have written to the Attorney General seeking sanction to initiate criminal prosecution and criminal contempt proceedings against Nishikant Dubey, but they were told to approach the Attorney General first and then come to Supreme Court. Today, Narendra Mishra, an advocate, drew the attention of the court to Nishikant Dubey's comments against the Chief Justice and Supreme Court, and said that despite several lawyers writing to Attorney General, no sanction has been given and Supreme Court should step in. Also, remove the scandalous remarks made by Nishikant Dubey from the social media, because Centre is not acting on that also. After hearing this lawyer briefly, Justice B.R. Gawai, who will go on to become India's next Chief Justice from May 14th, said that yes, we will list this matter next week and hearing will be granted. The lawyer clearly said that these comments have tarnished the image of the Chief Justice of India and also the Supreme Court. Therefore, the Supreme Court should intervene, because despite several lawyers writing to Attorney General seeking his permission to initiate criminal contempt proceedings against Nishikant Dubey, the Attorney General has not acted. Therefore, the Supreme Court should pass some order in this regard. Also, to take steps to remove the from social media this video as far as Nishikant Dubey's controversial comments are concerned. So this matter will be coming up for next week. We'll have to wait and watch what stand the Supreme Court will take in this very controversial and sensitive matter.
Yes, Harish, we'll have to see how the top court responds to this entire petition and the controversy that erupted out of Nishikant Dubey's remarks on the Chief Justice of India as well as the judiciary. Thanks very much, Harish, for joining us at the moment, getting us more of what happened in the top court of the country. With that, viewers, it's time for a short break. News and updates will continue on the other side.